Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the slice feature in Design Space. As you can see on the screen, I've got a large letter L and I've got a smaller name, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice out the name out of the letter L. So what we need to do is we just need to move that across, and I'm going to spin that around and we're going to slice it out of that part. I'm just going to level it up a little bit, straighten it up like so. And now that's ready, what we need to do now is we need to drag over both the letter and the word. And now if we head down to the bottom right, we can see all these little features are in black, and we're going to click on the slice feature. You may think, oh, nothing's happened, but if you look over here, you can see in the slice results, it's added some layers. So it shows you the name, it shows you it in black, and it also shows you the slice result. And what's happened is this name, Lisa, has acted like a cookie cutter, and it's cut through the letter L. So if we remove the top layer, then we can see now there's another layer, and this is the part that's being cut out. So if we remove that, that has then left the name Lisa, and that has been sliced out. You can just delete those off because we don't need those anymore, and that is your slice result. This also works with shapes and can also work with other designs. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.